Harris curls, and today we are going to install it. I know I've been a little absent. I have been moving, setting up my Airbnb, stressed, and there's a big nasty sore that popped up on my lips. So but we still gotta get this head all the way together. And I've had these clip-ins for a long time now. They're a little damp because I did just color it, but I've had them for a long time now, and I've been dying to install them. Yeah, so I have a little bit of free time today, so I'm like, let me install them, do a video for you guys. And I don't think we've actually even done a clip-in video yet, so this is a first. You know who I look like right now? That little girl from Polar Express. It's giving that. I feel like the room's echoing, like it's just like a lot of echoes. So let's get into this video. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start braiding my hair down, and then we can begin installing the clip-ins. So my hair is already blow dried. I parted out the sections that I'm gonna have my leave out. I'm gonna go ahead and just do some big cornrows in the middle of my hair in the back to install the clip-ins on top of it. Plaiting is an option as well, but I'm doing cornrows. So you want to make sure you have a crochet needle on deck, because that's what you're going to use to crochet in the loose ends into the braids. If you have shorter hair, you may not need to do this, but if you just have like a little bit of ends when you're done braiding, you want to kind of like tuck them away so they're just not like flying loose. So I just wanted to show you guys how the clips look. They're very light. There's about, the longest one has about 4, and then the shortest has 2, but you can cut them for like the size of your head. So I actually ended up using about all 3 bundles. At first I thought I only needed 2, but I wanted it like really full, so I did use all 3. But 2 to 2.5 could actually like kind of get your whole head done. It just depends how full you want the hair to be. So when applying it to the front, you want to make sure you're putting it really close to where your leave out's gonna be, so it covers that weft perfectly. And this is it without the hair taken out. Okay, so this is how the hair looks. I just pulled out my leave out. As you can see, I left barely any hair out, as little as possible, because I do want this to still be a protective style at the end of the day. I'm gonna damp the hair though, and then come back tomorrow, let it sit on there, blow dry or whatever. Come back tomorrow and then show you guys like the finished product. I'm still deciding whether or not I want to add any layers to this side. It's like I want that look, but then I kind of don't want to, because I don't want to disrupt the cut of the hair. Because I feel like once I add layers, I won't know where to put the hair back, if that makes any sense. So I don't know, I might keep it this way. I'll see after I'm done doing the twist out if layers or anything like that is necessary, but I feel like it falls pretty okay just as it is. Ooh, oh. Guys, so I took the twist out, and this is it. You can't. It's my hair. Where did you buy? It's mine. It grew on my scalp, from my scalp. It's my hair. This kid also cute. Like, I'm literally, when I say the texture replicates 4C hair, at like everything, like it was just blending seamlessly. Like, I'm so happy right now because I feel like this is so easy to do. Like, I normally get sew-ins, which if I was still going on a trip or something, like, yeah, sew-in, sew-me all day because it's more like secure, but the clip-ins too, it's just so fast. A little background about the hair. I believe this is like the longest length they have. I got it in 26 inches. I did shape it up just a little, just to kind of like, you know, add some framing to my face, but I didn't want to go too crazy with it because I didn't want, when I take it out, I don't like know what goes what, or if I want to change it to a center part. So I just did it slightly enough, like a little bit of bangs and stuff. So if I do flip it to the center part, I can reuse the same hair, like just put one on this side and one on that side. But either way, I'm thinking when I take it out, it's best to kind of put the back piece like in a bag that says back, the front in a bag that says front, so I kind of know where everything goes. So each time I install it, I don't have to be like cutting away until like there's literally no hair left. This is the final results, guys. I hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.